Hi guys, so I am inside the class in school right now checking papers. This is my ID card. Look at the passport, it's so bad. Chong got this ID card holder for me and आज तो कुछ खास नहीं बस I'm just going to take you guys along with me throughout the day. So I'm going to go check papers. As you can see, I've got a lot of papers here. And Chong and Ape are also here checking. Chong is over there. Ape is over here. And we're just doing our thing, not talking at all. So chalo, I'll just show you around. This is Chong's classroom, by the way. My class is really far, so I don't feel like going there क्योंकि exam का जो duty room है वो इसी floor में है. So I sit here and check so that it's easy for me to go and get my other bundles as well. तो चलो. Outfit of the day, basic, very basic. Just reached home. Mom is also here, tired. Hi guys, so super tired. I just changed my clothes and I'm gonna freshen up. Awe and Akro, they're also coming over, and I'm gonna go meet Chong as well because she's buying a new puppy. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. But before that, shower करके ready करते हैं. उसके बाद I'll see you guys. Hi guys, well video आगे जाने से पहले I'm gonna be introducing you to a very interesting product. Okay, so video आगे जाने से पहले, how many of you have dry, dull and dehydrated skin? I have, and I think a lot of you also have it. So the Dermaco has come up with an excellent product that can help you with that. As you all know, any product that has snail mucin is amazing, especially for Korean glass skin. I want to introduce to you a revolutionary serum by the Dermaco Snail Peptides 96 Hydrating Serum. Look at the texture guys, it's a little slimy, but the best thing here is it absorbs fast into the skin as it's super lightweight. It's first of its kind, and this serum boasts a potent blend of 96% pure snail secretion filtrate, 2% peptide complex and 2% niacinamide. Combining with the pure Korean magic of snail mucin with the potency of peptides, this product deeply hydrates your skin, keeping it moisturized and soothing dryness and irritation. Snail mucin जो है, it keeps skin's dryness at bay and makes the skin soft and supple by providing long-lasting hydration. Peptides and niacinamide here accelerate skin regeneration and boost collagen, which actively helps with dark spots, pigmentation, and uneven skin tone. And after the application, the skin feels so much softer, supple, and bouncy. So go ahead and try out this wonderful product guys, and don't worry, no snails were harmed in the making of this serum. The best thing here is that Dermaco has empowered 15,000 plus students this year with their Young Scientist initiative. So every time you buy from them, Dermaco will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Boomy. And all the products by Dermaco are fragrance free, so you can check the link in my description. Use my coupon code NAGA2024 for 20% off, and it's available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, Dermaco websites, and Purple as well. So don't forget to check them out.
Yana, yan your turn. Tanda mo siya na. Thank you. This is your youngest son. Are the dangor lang mo ta grabe tala.
Cue action.
Take number 69.
Let's go.
Action.
Today we present to you
Drum roll,
please. we didn't plan for that. Yeah.
It's okay,
1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Silver.
Nuna!
Sorry. Naga Nuna finally crosses 100 subscribers.
1 lakh.
1,000.
100,000.
100,000.
100,000.
100,000.
1 lakh subscribers.
1 lakh subscribers.
Yay.
finally got my silver play button, and I think they're the
Congratulations.
first ones to react, by the way.
And we're the first ones to touch it.
So good na. Ay, so good, yeah. I know it's like,
That
look.
sounds bad.
Actually, yeah.
That
Yeah.
sounds bad.
Okay, I'll hold it.
I always wanted to see a silver play button, and here it is.
This is what it looks like.
This is not our
Feel it.
achievement, but
And I
yeah.
always wanted one.
My
something new.
achievement is your achievement too. You guys should know that.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye. Itu camera भी सुंदर था देखिए मुझे लीजिए ऐसे. On behalf of the whole YouTube community, we want to congratulate Naga Nuna. Here's your winner.
Oh, thank you.
The silver play button.
Thank you.
Oh, look. Nagaduna reads books. This is beautiful flowers, and this is
Is it still going on
Johnny
though?
Irie
Yeah.
from Charlotte.
This guy is trying to steal my products.
She has so much.
Oh,
Loving
nice.
is sharing.
Yes, I'm running
sharing is loving.
Sharing is
I'm
loving.
running out of.
Yeah.
Okay.
What am I running out of?
What?
Serum.
Serum.
Yeah, we'll make sure that we run out of nothing after we
Hey, hey.
Art cutting.
I know we're doing that.
Tala the back to the na. Crow. Ay, crow. Why are you like this? Back to Sainat. Back to Actually, my mom made this bag for me. Asol do, because tent to inya open thaka do bulay jay na.
So bright.
So she made it for me so that I can easily carry it around. Nice, na?
Nice.
It's easy to carry as well. Migli ko ito lalo.
If there's a bear attack.
I'm putting this.
Is there anything breakable inside?
Yeah.
Can I roll?
What
on
do
the
you mean?
floor?
I don't know.
We need to know
I knew.
how versatile it is.
That stick piece eh.
roll the pizza.
Push it down.
More.
Down. Yeah, no, माथा दीजिए. Yes.
Good.
It started already.
No, mo gina
After process,
mo gina mo.
after he process, I'll be like, hui hi, go. Tay jawa, hi, na. This is beautiful. Ah, turba ko rin kita ani diye.
Misa, say so cringe again. Chong got her new dog. We're thinking what name to give. Na? Kinam dio. Yeah, so cute. Kila breed is it? No idea. Kila breed is it? So cute. She loves dogs more than human. Here in Shiro Cafe. This is what it looks like. So aesthetic, yeah.
Hello, your new vlog. Your first vlog.
Your first vlog. Oh, sana Shiro is Shiro. Tom. Dun dun dun. Ay, overkushi, overkushi.
Hoy, mo ito round.
Oh, round go. Oh, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
This is fun.
Bye. So guys, the session has come to an end and these kids are going to get promoted to grade 4, my kids. So I just got some gifts for them, some chocolates, and I'll be putting it in this bag. I have to pack it now. It's really late, but since I have to take it tomorrow, I need to get these things done. I also got them some notepads and I got this for myself. Oof, let's get started, guys.
Get the secret. Like, it's the with MS. It's
They came to pick me up. Good morning. Acha. Oh, okay. I will ask. What you want me to ask Longchindi who he wants to go with?
Yes. You come here.
Longchin. For Tokubo. Okay. Okay, Tokubo will join their group, okay? Kuna sina dyan na ginasagot. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oy, shit. Ini sama ya, kak? Oh, jangan.
Man, you long.
Eh, mai aku dah zuai ya. Boleh sih tu. Li jauh ni? Li jauh ni?
Hi. Oh.
Bye bye. Bye. Ayah. No. Flying kiss. Talaga makahanap. Ay, wa! Ay! Bye-bye.
Na.
Morombi lagi. Ibu itu.
Andal na kaya.
Ibu itu. Ay, sulu basi.
Sulu.
ये पूरा खुशी है मिसा मिसी खाते दो
Ama gitu kau itu. Imagine mo love da.
Nahobodo.
Podo.
Oy, oy, oy.